Something in life don't need a reason. If you feel it, do it. Iceland was never just a dream. It was something I knew I had to do.
This is called some kind of church, very famous church in Iceland.
Reykjavik, the capital city, very far from home. I felt like a traveler and also felt very different kind of peace. I think it's just a city that makes you slow down to breathe and to feel.
Money is everywhere.
And also as a tourist, there were plenty things to do. And the next morning, it was the time to see the real Iceland. And I can honestly say, it was the one of the best day of my life. Took the guided tour to see the south coast of Iceland.
Some of you might remember this one. It erupted in 2010.
Starting from Skogafoss, a waterfall so powerful, it felt like ground was shaking.
Isn't it cool? It's a paradise.
And then I walk along the black sand beach. It's shore made from volcanic ash, dark, wild, and completely unreal. And the glacier, so still and massive, it felt like I was standing on another planet. I keep telling myself, just go, take that chance. Comfort feels good, but I know it's holding me back. If I stay here, I'll miss out everything on the world that has to offer. I can't let that happen. The day was amazing, but there was still one more thing which was missing: Northern Lights. Went to the darkest spot far away from the city and waited for the long time for the sky to be cleared. But sadly, this time I couldn't see it. So it's time to say bye to this room. Last day in Iceland. It was snowing and freezing cold. Just like a weather I imagined on Iceland. And to heat up and to relax, I went to geothermal spa, Blue Lagoon. What can I say about this place? The feeling was just out of this world. Iceland has been one of the best trips of my life. A true one-in-a-lifetime experience. Is there next time? Absolutely. I still have so much to see, the northern lights, a full road trip, and the countless places left to discover. But for now, the journey comes to an end. See you on the next one.
Now this part of life is called Khushi.